Our next project is the relaying of these pavers. Using the existing second-hand pavers, the practical aspect of this job was to bring these pavers up to the same height as this stairway here, putting a slight slope on it so the water runs off in this direction. That meant that the paving ended up considerably higher than the ground level. So I cut up strips of pavers to put a brick edge along the front and sides of this platform. Before I remove these pavers, I need to count them and take some measurements so we know what kind of configuration we're going to relay them on our concrete foundation. So the idea here is to get a drawing so we can figure out all our materials and know how to navigate this when we relay everything. The pavers pull up quite easily because they're just laying on sand. This side of the formwork ends up with a slight downhill slope to aid in rain runoff, so the water drains away from the step and into the lawn.
You come and go like a monsoon rain. You have